this store has the perfect strategy to make money on Shopify. And we reviewed it all and summarized it so that you can steal it literally like step by step.
Today we're roasting Meowingtons.
Meow meow.
Meow meow.
Cats, we actually went to see Cats last night, the musical, guys, for those of you who haven't seen it. Memory. But anyway, so this store, Meowington, what do you think about it?
I think it's a little bit cuckoo. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
But
Crazy amazing.
yeah, there's some things in here that I think worth taking a closer look.
Worth taking a closer look. And guys, when we're going through this store, like first I want you to see like these guys are selling everything cat related. Like from things for cats to actually like cat lovers, like, you know, customized cat gifts. They're also selling like shower curtains with cats. I'll show you some of the products. Like some of the products are just crazy. Like for example, you've got everything that a cat needs, but you also have all of these print-on-demand ideas for cat lovers, for like cat parents, they call them.
Yeah,
cat
so
mom, cat dad.
Cat moms, cat dads.
Yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. So we guys kind of summarize it for you, what this store is doing really well, what they can do better, and what it is that you need to model. So first of all, as for every single store, we always will look at traffic. Why do you look at traffic, Kristen?
Well, if there's no traffic, there's no business, right?
Exactly.
Traffic is like oxygen for your business. So we need to start there.
You need the clicks. Guys, without the clicks.
Yeah. We've seen, I mean, so many entrepreneurs that we've met, they spend a ton of time optimizing their store to make it beautiful.
Yeah.
But there's zero traffic, like none. And if that's the case,
if that's not there, then yeah.
Yeah.
And so we want to have a look like where, because when I looked at Meowingtons, my first thoughts were like, okay, they have some like premium expensive products, like this is $500. Then suddenly they have like a print-on-demand stuff. So there is like, and we're going to talk about it, there is a little bit of a range of everything in between, which is not necessarily so great. But my first thought was like, okay, but how are they pulling this off? How are they selling something for $4.99 right next to, you know, a dropshipping product? So first of all, guys, we had a look at their socials. And we had a look at what ads they're running, because all of you can have a look at this. It's publicly available information. So you go to their Instagram and here it is. Like straight away you can see, guys, this store is so freaking incredible. This strategy is so perfect because they're not selling products. Like they're literally putting together a tribe, a cult, if you like.
Yes.
Like it's all about reaching cat lovers. They're not even selling their products in their social media posts. They're literally reaching the right person. So they've got this character called Milton the cat.
I saw on the website that Milton the cat is their office manager.
Yeah.
On the About Us page.
Actually, yeah, it's their actual office manager. So when we go to where was it?
It was under Our Story and About Us.
Oh, Our Story, yeah.
Yeah.
So when you go to like Our Story.
At the bottom.
And About, yeah, at the bottom here. Look,
Yeah,
Milton,
the office manager.
Milton the cat is the office manager. Absolutely hilarious. And then turns out Milton the cat is a whole cartoon. And this whole cartoon, you guys might be thinking like, okay, but what is the cartoon? Like, how is this generating money? Like this
You can see at the bottom of the cartoon here as well. They have the merch, right?
They have the merch here, but it's not just that. Look at this. Look at this, like these posts get so much engagement that when you start looking at that engagement, who interacts with these posts, it's not going to be people who don't care about cats.
Yeah.
It's going to be cat lovers, right? And so they're reaching cat lovers all day long, you know, even the comments, like you can just go and get buried inside the comments and it's just like, you know, just reaching the right target audience, both on Instagram and Facebook.
Organic traffic, it's free.
It's free, they're absolutely killing it. And then, like, you might be thinking like, okay, they're generating all of these engagements, so what? Well, so what? Look at this, 5.8 thousand likes, 117 comments, 441 shares.
Powerful.
Like you can literally get buried here inside the comments and just learn so much about your ideal customer. It's absolutely incredible. And then you might be thinking like, okay, but now how are they selling the product? Simple, guys. Simple freaking one retargeting ad. launched in September 2021. Guys,
And it's still active.
That's 4 years ago. 4 years ago.
Yeah, so they're getting the traffic. It looks like they're getting the traffic organically, and then they register the hits, and then they retarget to that audience.
I don't even think they have to register the hits, in my opinion. In my opinion, they just retarget the engagement. They don't even have to get the hit, they just have to get the like. And they already know that the person who's getting the like, freaking he's a cat lover. Or has somebody in the family who is a crazy cat lover. Like,
amazing.
I can already name 3-4 friends who are like, call themselves cat moms. Amazing. I love it. And then Pinterest the same.
Yes.
You know, look at this. Pinterest is the same. Like,
so they're active in a number of places.
Active on a number of places, but this is so powerful, guys. Like, this is what we talk about all the time in our program, don't we? Like, you always sell, guys, but never be salesy. Like, they've got this down packed to the T.
Yeah, just explain that phrase, always sell but without being salesy. Like,
yeah. So it's about always communicating to your ideal customer, but not necessarily doing like product placement or, hey, buy this thing, this is perfect for your cat.
Yeah.
Like, nobody would buy that, they won't get any engagement.
Yeah. In fact, it will get suppressed by the platform.
It will get suppressed. But if you've got a post that's directly speaking to cat lovers, and that only cat lovers will get it, because I don't get Milton the cat, because I am not the ideal audience. I don't get this. Like, if I have this in my feed, I'm gonna scroll straight past that.
Same for me too.
Yeah, but a cat lover isn't.
They're not gonna stop. They're gonna stop, yeah.
Yeah, cat lover is just gonna stop. They're gonna comment, oh my God, this is so funny. Facebook can tell that, you know, that you post. And so that's what it means. Always sell, never be salesy. Like, always reach your ideal customer. Brilliant.
Love it.
Perfect. Perfect. So, and they have the same on Pinterest, guys. Remember, once again, kitty apparel. Who's gonna get a dress looking like a kitty? It's not gonna be somebody like me. It's gonna be somebody who is a real cat lover. And remember, Pinterest is a search engine.
Amazing.
Amazing. So next, we also reviewed their organic traffic, yeah?
Yes.
So how did we do that?
Semrush.
Semrush is one of our favorite tools.
Just a quick disclosure, we love Semrush. It's our honest opinion. We love it. We are an affiliate of Semrush. So if you happen to use the link that we have down below the video to get your free trial of Semrush, we may earn a small commission for that, but there's no cost to you, and we appreciate your support.
Yes. And we're using Semrush in this case to show you what Meowington is doing.
Yes.
Because they're freaking killing it with organic traffic.
Yes, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah.
So, guys, if you happen to use Semrush, you essentially go to what's called domain overview, and you plug in the domain you want to look at.
Yep.
And ta-da! It gives you a ton of information.
So what we're seeing here is that we've got 36,000 organic searches a month coming to the website, primarily from the US, 84%.
Guys, 36,000.
Yeah.
Can we just like a mic drop for a moment?
Yeah. There's 22,000 keywords that drive the traffic. Can I open this?
Yes.
Have a look? Yeah, we'll just open this in another tab and just have a quick glance at what it is. But look at this traffic. It just keeps going.
Yes,
keeps going. And what's driving the traffic here, this Semrush shows us all of this. The bulk of their traffic you can see here. Let's sort it here by traffic percentage. Here, look at this. 10% of their traffic comes from cat toys, cat for toys, accessories with cats, cat accessories, cat toy, Meowingtons, orange tabby. These are like this cat toys. It's 49,000 searches every month. Yeah. And they're ranked number 4 on
average.
On average,
which
right?
means that sometimes they rank number 2, number 3, number 1, but on average they're number 4.
So this is incredible.
And those of you guys who...
And one last thing. When people search cat toys and they show up number 4 and they click, Google's taking them to the cat toys collection page. What do you think they're going to do on a collection page? They're going to click add to cart and buy. So that's incredible. So let's click here and let's have a look what collection page it goes to. Cat toys. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. So the estimate from Semrush, and it's obviously an estimate, not because we don't have actual access to their backend system. Yeah. But the estimate is that they're getting about 3,000 visits every month. Just for cat toys, straight to the collection page, not the home page where people don't buy, the collection page where people add to cart and buy. And also, guys, the perceived value of showing up in ranking in Google, the perceived trust is so crazy high, the authority. Yeah. Because people trust Google the same way
all the work you're doing on Google is going into AI search engines too, by the way.
Yeah.
So just think about it for a moment. The opportunity right now with AI searches, because it's so personalized, the trust is so high. It's literally like buying Facebook shares back in the day where we didn't even know what Facebook is.
Early opportunity.
Or like getting into Bitcoin where everybody thought it was a scam.
We could buy a pizza with a Bitcoin.
Yeah, like who here would have wished that you had Bitcoin then?
Yeah, absolutely.
Same. And one more thing, may I add?
Yeah.
One more thing, guys. What you can see on the keyword difficulties, the KD percentage, is that it's green around here, yeah? So if any of you guys happen to sell cat toys, just saying, pay attention to this keyword because it's green, which means you, with your store,
like if you
can really get in.
Easy, yeah? Easy.
So what you're gonna have to do is model what they have on the collection, but that's a side note.
That's a different topic.
What we wanted to say is that they're killing it with organic traffic, and you can see all of these. Cat decor, did I see? Cat mugs.
Mom gifts, yeah. So you know, the thing is, when you have a free flow of organic traffic flowing through to your store, your CAC, customer acquisition cost of customer acquisition, it just plummets, right? It drops. Like it's amazing, right? Because most stores out there have to pay for the pay to play a lot of, and there's a cost. So obviously there's a cost per acquisition for every sale. You got to pay the money, right? But in this case, you're going to traffic 3,000 for the ones that show.
I love it.
Yeah,
and all because they created the character Milton Cat, and they didn't just create. They are not just selling products. They've got a whole cult.
Yes.
It's a whole niche, it's a whole tribe.
One thing I forgot to show in Semrush there was that we could see here that they've got 12,000 backlinks, right? There's 2,000 websites that are linking to this website.
Yeah.
Probably there's people like, this is cool, have a look at this, let me, link there, link there. Some of them will be link spam as well, but that's pretty cool.
That strengthens, that gives them the juice.
It strengthens their authority score here. Like we can see here, if I hope it's gonna load, but we can see here, it's a natural website. They've got organic traffic, and link power is like how many links they have coming.
Yes.
I don't go into the technical analysis here, but really solid foundation.
Powerful.
Solid. Powerful.
Solid. Yeah. All right.
Great.
Now, so guys, this is what you can model. What you don't want to model, let's go through the weaknesses. What you don't want to model is that here on the website you can see amongst the products that they, in my opinion, are mixing really high value product with low value product, and in my opinion, what I don't know the business owners, just for full disclosure, but personally I don't think their conversion rate is high. And the reason why I don't think their conversion rate is high, because they've got way too many products and you literally can just get there and get completely lost.
This is just our opinion without seeing the data.
This is our opinion.
We need to see the data behind that.
Just working with Shopify stores, this is just our opinion, or my opinion. And also, another of my opinions is that you can see that some of these products are dropshipping products, and some of these are like high quality made in the US, and they're just being side by side. In my opinion, that pollutes.
Do you think one thing would be to have fewer products, but another thing is to curate the collection into different collections that's more curated?
Yeah, but also have less products.
Yeah.
Because then you are like just being like a general kit store, everything to everyone.
Which is nothing to no one.
Yeah, so in my opinion, some of these products that they're selling, they're really like a low value product. So in my opinion, like you want to be aiming at a higher average order value and few products so that you have a higher conversion rate. Like, mixing this with that, it's like, I would like tidy it up a bit more to really maximize conversion rate, average order value, and the positioning.
Yes.
Like, guys, if you've been watching our channel for a while, we are big believers of premium positioning, so the premium end.
We're never talking about how to sell the cheapest iPhone case, right? Like that's a race to the bottom. We're not in that game.
Yeah, and I think that they've got a lot of products here that are like at the lower end of the market.
Mm-hmm.
And in my opinion, that's something you don't necessarily want to do.
Well, if you are selling those low value items, you need to be then bundling them into
and some of these ones, I can't find them now, but originally when I had a look, some of these ones were like, $50, $18, and then at the same time you've got like a jungle gym $350 and Kids Tower $499. So
Yeah.
Next to socks.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it's like
It's the curation.
Yeah.
Or lack of. Yeah, lack thereof.
Cool, but overall, perfect strategy. So let me summarize this for you guys, because I'm sure you are like, okay, but Silvia, how am I going to implement this in my store? So organic traffic, talk to your customer. Talk to your customer all the time. Not just about like buy my product, but talk to your customer about what your customer finds interesting.
Yes.
What are the themes? We call that in our program, we call it a content pyramids. Like really talk to them about what they're interested in.
From different angles. Like it's the content pyramid because there's different layers to the pyramid, right?
Yeah.
So you don't just say buy my thing, buy my thing, buy my thing. You talk about it in different.
Yeah, and you're engaging them in a conversation.
Yeah.
This is what these guys nailed. Because of that, they only have simple retargeting ads. So once again, only spend money on ads once you are
the pre-qualified group, like they've got a pool of people that they know are interested.
Yes.
So you can run the ads to them, and boom, you know that there's going to be a level of interest there.
Yes, exactly. Third thing, spend some time building your organic traffic. Like right now with Google and AI, it's like we guys are in an opportunity of a century, I think.
When you do the keyword research, or we call it ninja phrase mining in our program, when you do that work, you'll be surprised at how many phrases or keywords that there are that are relatively easy to go for, to target, to work on, to have a strategy for.
Exactly.
A lot of people don't even attempt SEO because they think, it's oversaturated, it's complicated. And it can be for some of the like really popular keywords, for sure.
And once again, we use Semrush for that. And guys, we are affiliate of Semrush. So if you do happen to click on the link below, just saying, and if you do happen to sign up for the free trial, we may earn a small commission, but just so that you know, full disclosure.
There's no cost to you though.
There is no cost to you. Okay, so, but those are powerful things. What you want to stay away from is low average order value and like mix matching, high value premium products with like cheap dropshipping stuff, because that's just gonna send a confusing message to your customer.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, shake the room. Go steal it, guys.
Great. See you in the next video.